Good afternoon, students. So, in today's class, we are going to start off with our third chapter. Okay? तो हम चैप्टर का नाम क्या है? मज़ेदार चॉकलेट. तो आप सभी को चॉकलेट बहुत पसंद है ना? आप सभी को चॉकलेट बहुत पसंद है ना? मैं क्या पूछ रही हूँ? I'm asking you if you all really love chocolates. So, do you all love chocolates? Isn't it? Yes. So, we'll see what's happening in this case. Okay, so in the picture you can see that two kids are actually, so in our pink box if you can see, चॉकलेट एक ऐसी चीज़ है जिसका नाम सुनते ही बच्चों से लेकर बड़ों तक के मुंह में पानी आ जाता है. मतलब क्या है? चॉकलेट एक ऐसी चीज़ है. Chocolate is such a product or such a thing that as soon as we hear or as soon as we see, what happens? We really feel to have it. Yes, who doesn't like chocolates? Everyone. And, let them be, let it be a kid or a big man, they will still like chocolates. Okay, लेकिन हमें इसके स्वाद के साथ साथ इससे होने वाले नुकसान के बारे में भी पता होना चाहिए. That means it is sweet. We all love it. That's okay, fine. But we should also know how it's gonna affect. Okay, we should we all love it. It is sweet. It's really nice to have it. Really good taste. That and all is fine. But we should also know its impact. What it's gonna impact on our health. Okay, the effects of it. Okay, even we should know about it. So we'll see what are the things that we have to learn from this chapter. Okay, so first para, रंग बिरंगे रैपरों से लिपटी चॉकलेट बच्चों की सबसे पसंदीदा मिठाई होती है. पसंदीदा, फर्स्ट पिंक वर्ड, पसंदीदा मीन्स फेवरेट. ओके, सो रंग बिरंगे लिपटे चॉकलेट मीन्स रैपरों से, रैपर्स. सो कलरफुल रैपर्स वी गेट फॉर चॉकलेट्स. सो वी ऑल लव इट. So when we actually look at its chocolate wrapper, we tend to take it. We want to taste it. So first, what do we see? The wrapper, the colorful wrappers. Okay, so these are the ones which actually attract the kids, and that becomes favorite one for them. Okay, is second line I'm reading. Okay, इसके दिख जाने भर से ही उनके होठों पर ही नहीं, आँखों तक में हंसी की झलक नज़र आती है. आँखों तक की हंसी नज़र आती है मीन्स as soon as we look at it, not just our mouth that's gonna smile, it's also our eyes. Okay, when you look at it, you automatically feel happy. Yes, the happiness which you get from inside, that actually we can look into your eyes. Okay, that we can actually make out from their eyes itself. Okay, so if a kid is छोटा बच्चा, okay, if a kid is actually crying, okay, so if you give a chocolate, will it actually cry? No, it's gonna smile and take the chocolates and have it. Okay, and enjoy it. Yeah, so it is such a thing. Fourth line I'm reading. Okay, इसके सबसे बड़ी खासियत यह है कि इसका कोई मौसम नहीं होता. It means what? For fruits, for vegetables, and for other things, we have season. Okay, so during that season itself, we get such fruits or vegetables. But for chocolates, we'll get it in all the seasons. Okay, so इसकी सबसे बड़ी खासियत means the advantage. Okay, biggest advantage of chocolates are you can get it at any season, like any time you can get it. If you want to buy Dairy Milk, do you have to wait for a season? No. So you can buy it at any time and have it. Okay, यह 12 महीने बाजारों में मिलती है. It means you'll get throughout the year you'll get the chocolates. There's no separate or exact season for it. Okay, पैसे दो या झट से बाजार से लाकर पैसे दो means give money and get it from the shop and as easy as possible. Just give the money and get the chocolates. लाकर इसके स्वाद का आनंद उठाओ. स्वाद means taste. Okay, the fourth last word of first para. Okay, इसके स्वाद का आनंद उठाओ means as soon as you get the chocolates, what will you do? You will just have it. Okay, second para. लेकिन क्या आप जानते हैं कि आप सबकी यह प्यारी चॉकलेट अपने में एक लंबा और अनोखा इतिहास छिपाए बैठी है. It means what? We all love chocolate, but it has its own history. Okay, इतिहास is nothing but history. Second para, third line, first word. Second para, third line, first word. इतिहास is nothing but history. Okay, history छिपाए बैठी है. So we actually don't know the history of chocolate. So we'll look into it. Okay, इसकी कहानी भी इसके स्वाद की तरह काफी मजेदार है. स्वाद, second pink word. स्वाद means taste. I just told you. इसकी कहानी भी इसके स्वाद की तरह काफी मजेदार है. Its story also is sweet as it is. Okay, as it tastes. Okay, the taste is so sweet and really good to have. In the same way, even its history is sweet as it looks. Okay, so now we'll check out what is it history. Okay, so थर्ड पैरा. असल में अमेरिका में अमेज़न नदी के तट पर कोको नाम के पेड़ मिलते हैं. Okay, so we get it from where? In Amazon forest. So we all know where is Amazon forest. Okay, so in Amazon forest we have a tree, something called as cocoa tree. Okay, cocoa tree. So from there we get cocoa powder. So out of cocoa powder we prepare chocolates. Okay, कई साल पहले स्पेन के राजा ने इस मैक्सिको पर विजय प्राप्त कर ली. Means there was a raja in Spain, okay, who actually won. Okay, he got the victory. Vijay is nothing but victory. Okay, प्राप्त कर ली. तो उसने देखा कि वहाँ के लोग इस पेड़ की विभिन्न फलियों से स्वादिष्ट पेय means what? स्वादिष्ट means tasty. Okay, पेय means drink. Okay, tasty drink बनाकर पीते हैं. So when he got victory in Spain, so he saw that then he became the raja, right? He became the king of Spain. Okay, then when he saw that people are actually making tasty drink and they are having it. Okay, out of this cocoa powder. Okay, out of this cocoa fruit and out of cocoa tree they are getting the fruit, and out of that they are preparing tasty drink. Okay, and they are drinking it. I'm reading in page number 21, first line. Okay, तब वह भी अपने साथ आते वक्त कुछ फलियां ले आया. So when he was returning back from Spain, he got the same fruits along with him. Okay, he got the same fruits along with him. और उसके पेय बनवाकर उसने अपने सभी मित्रों को पिलवाया. मित्रों means friends. Okay, so when he got all these fruits from Spain, what he did, he asked the cook to make a tasty drink, and he gave all those drink to his friends. Okay, second line, last one. इस प्रकार स्पेन की रसोइयों में यह चॉकलेट ड्रिंक काफ़ी प्रसिद्ध हो गई. In this page, second pink word, prasidh means famous. Okay, so in this way, as Raja asked them to prepare the chocolate drink, in this way, this drink has become really famous in Spain also. Okay, third line, in middle of the line, I'm reading. धीरे धीरे कोको पेड़ की फलियां का स्वाद दुनिया के तमाम देशों में पहुंचा और इसके जादुई स्वाद से सारी दुनिया को अपना दीवाना बना डाला. धीरे धीरे, धीरे धीरे मीन्स स्लोली. ओके, ग्रेजुअली. ओके, कोको पेड़ की फलियों, कोको पेड़ की फलियां मीन्स फ्रूट्स ऑफ दैट कोको ट्री. ओके, का स्वाद दुनिया के तमाम देशों में पहुंचा मीन्स just after Spain, like one by one, each and every country started to drink that tasty drink made out of cocoa, and they all everyone started to drink that, and they were enjoying it. Okay, और इसके जादुई स्वाद means जादुई means magical taste. Okay, so it has its unique and magical taste, so which actually gradually spread all over the world. So now we all know how chocolate actually tastes, right? So next para and the last para, चॉकलेट का स्वाद वाकई काफ़ी गजब होता है. वाकई काफ़ी गजब होता है means it's actually tasty, really tasty. गजब होता है means it's amazing. Okay, it has got an amazing taste. लेकिन इस बात का हमें सदैव ध्यान रखना चाहिए. Again, third pink word, सदैव means always. Okay, सदैव means always. But you should always keep it in your mind. ध्यान क्या रखना चाहिए? ध्यान कहाँ पे रखना चाहिए? अपने दिमाग में. Okay, you should always think before you eat it. चाहिए कि क्या ध्यान में रखना चाहिए? What you should think. हमें यह अपनी पसंदीदा चॉकलेट ज़्यादा नहीं खानी चाहिए. What you should keep it in your mind? Yes, the chocolates are really tasty. It is colorful. It is, it's actually, it gives happiness to us. Yes, but you should always keep it in your mind that you should not have too much. Okay, if you get chocolate, just have a bit and share it along with your friends or your family members. Okay, don't just always keep on having the chocolates. Okay, what will happen if you have chocolates always? Your teeth will, what will happen to your teeth? You'll get tooth decays. Okay, इससे दांत खराब होने की भी आशंका रहती है. Means what? Your teeth will become bad. Okay, you know, right, the black thing which come into your teeth. Okay, इसलिए इसे शौक से खाओ. So whenever you have it for happiness, or you have it whenever you like it, like for occasions you can have. मिल बांट कर खाओ. Share it and have it. Okay, मिल बांट कर means share and have it. लेकिन हिसाब से खाओ means have it, but in a limit. Okay, with a limit you should have the chocolates, not together. You should not, if you have chocolate, you should not just have together. It's not your food that you're gonna have. Okay, it's chocolate, so have it and share and have it, so that you give it to everyone. Even they feel happy, even you are happy because you're having it. Okay, last line, तब यकीन मानिएगा यह आपको और अधिक स्वादिष्ट लगेगी. When you share and have it, you'll actually feel that real happiness. You'll really get that happiness. Okay, when you share and have it, even you have it, even your friends are having, your family members are having, so everyone are happy. So when everyone are happy, what will happen? That place itself, happiness will spread around and everyone will be happy. So then automatically even you will be happy. Okay, so what did we learn from this chapter? Go to the pink box again. चॉकलेट एक ऐसी चीज़ है जिसका नाम सुनते ही बच्चों से लेकर बड़ों तक के मुंह में पानी आ जाता है, लेकिन हमें इसके स्वाद के साथ साथ उससे होने वाले नुकसान के बारे में भी पता होना चाहिए. दैट मीन्स व्हाट? Yes, we do like chocolates. Everyone love chocolates. They really want to have, but we should always think about its disadvantages also. So for that, what you should do? You should share and have the chocolates. Okay. Now we will move on to our exercise part. Okay. This is quite easy exercise. We can actually finish in some time. So we'll discuss the exercise as of now, and later on after the class I'll give you the notes also. Okay, no worries about that. पढ़िए और समझिए. Read and understand. Ch plus ch. Okay, first ch and second ch. What will it become? It's becoming half ch, full ch. Okay, अच्छा. स्वादिष्ट. Second word स्वादिष्ट. स्वाद. ध्यान. Spain. ज़्यादा. So whenever you are adding that half ch, j, half of letters, so this is how it becomes. Okay, next one, पढ़िए समझिए और सही शब्द चुनकर खाली स्थान में भरिए. It means what? Read, understand and write the correct word in the blanks. Okay, कोको पेड़ की डैश से स्वादिष्ट पेय बनता है. फूलों से या फलियों से. In brackets they have given the answer also, so you have to choose any one, because only any one is the right one. So कोको पेड़ की फलियों से. Page number 21, first word of this page. फलियों से स्वादिष्ट पेय बनाकर पीते हैं. So फलियां. Okay, फलियां means fruit. Okay, फूलों means flowers. कोको पेड़ की फलियों से स्वादिष्ट पेय बनता है. Okay, now second one. सारी डैश के बच्चे चॉकलेट के दीवाने हैं. Means शहरों means city. दुनिया means world. Okay, सारी दुनिया के बच्चे चॉकलेट के दीवाने हैं. Only Spain's kids love chocolates. We don't love chocolates. Like all the kids actually love chocolates, right? So पूरी सारी दुनिया. So the first one is right one. Okay, सारी दुनिया के बच्चे चॉकलेट के दीवाने हैं. Now next page. चॉकलेट बच्चों की पसंदीदा दवाई है या मिठाई है? मिठाई means your मिठाई means sweet. दवाई means medicine. Is it chocolate बच्चों की पसंदीदा है? Means chocolate is loved by kids. Either it is a medicine or is it a sweet? It's a sweet. Okay, so it's a sweet and everyone like it. Okay. हर चॉकलेट का आकार और डैश अलग अलग होता है. हर चॉकलेट का आकार और डैश अलग अलग होता है. It means each and every chocolate that you get to see, it has its own shape and its tastes are different. Yes, right. If you have Munch and Kit Kat, it has got a different taste. But if you have Dairy Milk, it has got a different taste. You have a normal lime chocolate or orange chocolate, you get a different taste. So we have different flavors, and each and every chocolate has its own sweetness and taste. Okay, so स्वाद, आकार और स्वाद अलग अलग होता है. Sweetness we can get, the same sweetness we can get it, but swad, the taste, it differs. Okay, so the first one is right. Okay, now next one. चित्रों को देखकर उनके नाम लिखिए. चित्रों को देखकर उनके नाम लिखिए. So the first one is Snickers. So where can you find Snickers? There in between the pictures you can see a big box, green color box. First one is written Dairy Milk, second one is written Munch, Kit Kat, Snickers, 5-star, Milky Bar. Okay, so which one is Snickers? Fourth word which is written Snickers, that is Snickers. Okay, Dairy Milk, where is written Dairy Milk? First one is, first word in the box, that is Dairy Milk. Okay, next is Kit Kat. Third word which is given, that is Kit Kat. 5-star. Fifth word which is written there in the box, that is 5-star. Milky Bar, the last one which is written, that is Milky Bar. Okay, Munch, second one which is written, that is Munch. Okay, so answers again I'll write it in my book and I'll send it to you in a PDF form. Don't worry about it. Okay, next question, समान लय वाले शब्द बनाइए. समान लय वाले शब्द बनाइए means what? Make the rhyming words. Rhyming words means, rhyming words, how do we say? बच्चे कच्चे, सच्चे बच्चे. Okay, जो त्यों, so rhyming ones. Okay, that is how. So the first one is बच्चे. So what will be the rhyming word? Again they have given the answers in down lane. Down there's a green color box again. So in that fourth one is सच्चे. So it is rhyming one, बच्चे सच्चे. Second one, rapper. The same kind of word, rapper, cracker. The third word which is written in the box, that you have to write it here. Okay, rang, sang. First one, rang, sang. Fourth one, bazar. Bazar, hazar. Second word in the box, bazar, hazar. So when you pronounce it, it has got the same rhyming tone. So that is nothing but rhyming words. Okay, Raja, Baja. The last word which is given in box, Raja, Baja. Faliyan, Kaliyan. Okay. Next page and the last page of this chapter. So what is it? इन प्रश्नों के उत्तर लिखिए. आंसर दी फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चंस. बच्चों की सबसे पसंदीदा मिठाई क्या है? बच्चों की सबसे पसंदीदा मिठाई क्या है मीन्स what is the which is the sweet that kids actually love? Which is the favorite sweet which kids love? Chocolates. तो हम क्या लिखेंगे वहां पे? चॉकलेट बच्चों की सबसे पसंदीदा मिठाई है. Okay, we'll write chocolate. I'll write the answers and send it back to you. Okay, अमेज़न नदी कहाँ पर है? अमेज़न नदी कहाँ पर है? Where is Amazon river situated? It's in America. Okay, so page number 20, last para, first line it is written. Page number 20, लास्ट पैरा, फर्स्ट लाइन इट इज रिटन. असल में अमेरिका में अमेज़न नदी के तट पर कोको नाम के पेड़ मिलते हैं. ओके, सो वेयर इज इट सिचुएटेड? अमेज़न नदी इट्स सिचुएटेड इन अमेरिका. ओके, थर्ड क्वेश्चन, किस पेड़ की फलियों से स्वादिष्ट पेय बनता है? सो फ्रॉम विच ट्री वी गेट this cocoa drink? From cocoa? From where do we get this tasty drink? From cocoa tree. So हम क्या लिखेंगे? कोको पेड़ से कोको पेड़ की फलियों से स्वादिष्ट पेय बनता है. Okay, cocoa. I'll write the answers and send it back to you. Fourth one, चॉकलेट का स्वाद कैसा होता है? How does chocolate actually tastes? How does it taste? It is sweet. तो हम क्या लिखेंगे? चॉकलेट का स्वाद मीठा होता है. So you will write मीठा. Okay, मीठा. फिफ्थ वन, चॉकलेट ज़्यादा क्यों नहीं खाना चाहिए? Why we should not eat lot of chocolates? Because दांत खराब हो जाते हैं, ठीक है? Because we'll get tooth decays. Okay, that's why. Okay, and the last one, if you see, इन चॉकलेट के चित्र को पूरा कर इसमें सुंदर रंग भरिए. Color the given picture beautifully. So after that there's one line which is written below the chocolate box. मुझे डैश खाना बहुत पसंद है. So what will you write there? Chocolate. Okay, मुझे चॉकलेट खाना बहुत पसंद है. So you'll write chocolate there. Okay, so you have to color the given picture beautifully. Okay, so which color will you actually fill it up with? Chocolate color. Okay, chocolate color is brown, so you will color the box with brown color. Okay, so that's all for today. Have a nice day.